Hello and welcome to Rug Stories for yet another story. So today we are at Ekta Nagar for uh, visiting the Statue of Unity. So last night we boarded the train from Dadar in Mumbai. We reached in the morning around 7:30, and now we freshened up in the waiting room, and now we are actually proceeding towards the Statue of Unity. So this is Ekta Nagar station. Let me show you. It's quite clean. That's the waiting room. So you can come freshen up and then you can board board the bus. So there is a free bus service as well uh, that leaves. So when we got down from the train was 10 minutes early. When we got down from the train, we saw a bus service that takes you directly to Statue of Unity. However, since we wanted to freshen up, we did not board that bus. So we'll go out and check what is the other options that are available when is the next bus. So stay tuned. So we left our luggage in the cloak room in the station itself, as you're not allowed to carry luggage or bigger bags inside Statue of Unity. If you have a handbag, a smaller one, or a sling bag, that is what you can carry. There's also provision to keep your bags, which is provided by SOU. So you can actually board this free bus service and ask the driver about it. So this is the Statue of Unity bus, which will pick you from Ekta Nagar station and drop you to Statue of Unity. So these buses arrive at this station as per the train timings. So you can board these buses as per your train time. Statue of Unity depicts Indian politician and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of independent India. The height of the statue is 182 meters and it is world's tallest statue. It's located on Narmada River in the Kevadia colony, the state of Gujarat, and it faces the Sardar Sarovar Dam. So we have reached Statue of Unity. We just got down from the bus. That's the bus that we came by, and you can actually see the statue from where the bus stops. We have booked the tickets for Statue of Unity, so we will decide where exactly we need to go after that. So Statue of Unity viewing gallery and the light show, the laser show, this is booked. All the others we still need to book. Bus parking area, also known as bus bay, from where you can board buses for different stations, different stops. These are all hop on hop off buses, which you can get down on one particular stop and then board it again. So we decided to have breakfast right opposite the parking area. So this was our breakfast for the day before we go to see the Statue of Unity. 5 zones, out of which 3 are accessible to the general public. The first is the museum, the second is the food, and the third is the viewing gallery. Gallery and look at this view from here. Statue is so tall that we are not even as tall as the statue's footwear. That's the footwear. That's where the footwear ends. Apart from the stunning views, SOU campus also has a food court, a seating area for the laser show, and a buggy service which can be availed by elderly to navigate across. If you found this video informative, do watch episode 2 where we explore other attractions near SOU. Thank you for watching.